Welcome back. In a big crackdown on anti-India sloganeering at the Jawaharlal Nehru University in Delhi, the police have arrested the Students' Union president. He has now been remanded to 3 days in custody. Kanhaiya Kumar was arrested after police booked a group of students who held an anti-India protest on the campus on the 3rd anniversary of the hanging of Parliament attack convict Afzal Guru. Now, in court, Kanhaiya Kumar claimed he was being targeted as he had defeated the ABVP in elections. He also claimed that those 10 who chanted pro-Afzal Guru slogans did not belong to the Students' Union. Meanwhile, Delhi University's former professor S.A.R. Gilani has also been booked for a pro-Afzal Guru event at the Press Club of India. Police have summoned another Delhi University professor, Ali Javed, for questioning.
तुम्हारे ऊपर जो एलिगेशन लगाया गया उसके ऊपर क्या झूठ है इनके पास कोई सबूत नहीं है। मैंने स्लोगन नहीं लगाया है, ये झूठ है पूरी तरीके से। अदालत में कभी नहीं, ये झूठ है। इन्फॉर्मेशन तो लेके दो कि हम पूछेंगे भाई।
इसलिए खड़ा हूँ कि कन्हैया कुमार का अरेस्ट गलत है। जो उस दिन एंटी नेशनल स्लोगन्स बोले गए वो भी गलत हैं, पर कन्हैया कुमार को ये कह के अरेस्ट करना कि वो वहाँ पे प्रिसाइड कर रहा था इवेंट को, ये भी गलत है। जो जिन लोगों ने करा है उनको आप अरेस्ट करिएगा, जिन्होंने एंटी नेशनल स्लोगन्स लगाए हैं। फाइंड द वीडियोस फुटेज है आपके पास, आप अरेस्ट करिएगा।
And there are fresh protests and counter protests at the JNU, but before that, I quickly want to go across to my colleague Atir Khan, who's been tracking developments on the campus. Atir, we are told that there's massive police deployment around the JNU campus. Tell us more about the protests and the counter protests.
Well, there was a protest by the Teachers Association and some students who are opposing the arrest of Kanhaiya, the president of Students' Union. They believe that, very extreme view has been taken by the police, and Kanhaiya himself was not involved in the controversial, event which happened in the JNU campus. But we know that there's another protest which the ABVP students are going to, they're going to hold a little while from now. So that is another protest which has been lined up earlier in the day. There was protest by the villagers of the surrounding area, which is adjoining the campus. So there are a series of protests which are happening, and people are expressing their views on the event which happened on the campus and the police action which has followed now.
Okay, there are several who say that police action was a little over the top, arresting the Students' Union president, arresting and detaining some others. What more do we know of the number of people who've either been arrested or detained?
Well, we know that the Kanhaiya, who is the president of the Students' Union, has been arrested, and the police might also be looking out for some other students who are associated with him. But at the moment, we know that it's Kanhaiya who has been officially arrested. So there is opposition. He being the president of the Students' Union, there is a group of students and teachers who believe that his arrest was an extreme step which was taken, and he's not an anti-national element in any way. He's a student of the JNU,
Okay.
And he was not involved in that incident.
Okay, Atir, keep tracking that story. I will come back to you for more.
General Dalbir Singh has condoled the passing away of braveheart Lance Naik Hanumantappa, saying that the soldier in him will continue to inspire generations.
Now, Mr. Rijiju, we're looking at a lot of awards Wapsi that's happening just now. Started with the writers, went on to academics, historians, scientists.